Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. You are the rose that makes my garden bloom. Like flowers, our love grows beautifully. You're my sunflower, always shining bright. Every love story should bloom like spring flowers. My heart is a garden, and you are the bloom. Our love is like a wildflower, free and beautiful. Without you, my world feels like a withered flower. Our love blossoms like a spring garden. Every petal whispers, I love you. You're the wildflower in my heart. In the garden of love, you're my favorite bloom. If love were a flower, I'd pick you every time. Like a sunflower, my love always follows you. Your love is the rain that helps me grow. Love is the softest petal in life's bouquet. You're the rose that colors my world. Our love is rooted deep like a strong oak. I'd pick you again and again, my love. Your love is as sweet as a jasmine breeze. Like a sunflower, I turn to you for light. I love you more than a bee loves flowers. You are my morning rose and evening jasmine. A single rose can be my garden, a single love, my world. You are the petal to my heart's bloom. Love is like a daisy, simple, pure, and beautiful. With you, love blossoms endlessly. You're the fragrance in my life's bouquet. Love is like a flower, it needs care to bloom. I love you like a rose loves the morning dew. Holding your hand feels like walking in a flower field. You are the garden where my heart finds peace.